Hello, 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 hello. Very nice. So, hello guys, welcome to another stream more, and let's continue with where we are right now. I finished the level or chapter number two from from the book. Yeah, and look it out, look at this. I finished it and everything. So now I am doing some practice my writing skills. Um well what I what can I say? Now the the first topic is let me comment about the topic. One of the topic is topic technology and time. Front. Many people say technology makes life faster and more stressful. Do you agree or disagree? Target wars. Present for time in a blinking of the eye, current topical status quo, and trend. This is the words I'm trying to use, and this is my, well, my essay, my point of view, 250. So there are some grammar mistake, maybe incoherence, but let's try to, we're gonna to say what I think I'm read. So pardon me if I make mistakes or don't connect good ideas or new connectors. Very common. So in my point of view, there are several ideas about one of these idea is that technology has modified many aspects of people's life involving in the feeling of fleeting in this terrain spectrum. Furthermore, they are proclaimed that technology create an atmosphere of depression and anxiety. The status quo is everyone has easy access for handheld devices. They are able to acquire information around it's world war around the world, but as you world war. Depend of the time of the information. Depend of the time. Uh, Type, not time, okay, of the information. Wait. The individual has the capability to read even the to internet with certain type of data. In a consequence, the person suffer a high level of stress and depression in a social in their social economic situation. In that identity suffers in that moment. So this trend is going to increase this type of mood all over the around the world or spread around the world. Mhm. Well, and they are going to announce that technology makes life faster in the blinking of the eye. They, uh-huh. In this, in translate this translate several several other aspects in their existence. One of the word one of the one of this war The current situation in the world with the place in every is it's very alarmed in the angle of tech industry. In this industry has a reputation to be very fast work environment. As a result, many employees have suffer or have a press for time to adapt the new and abrupt technologies. In conclusion, technology is useful when the circumstances are appropriate for an individual who trains to be in that work environment or assimilate the technology in the part is part of the people's life and it is going to transform the masses idea, point of view, and a way of think with K in their life and many other generations. Yeah, there's a mistake. I just write it down and prompt it. We out make any wow double check or read aloud it. I don't know if we're going to be able to read aloud. I don't think so. So I need to create an essay to do it. But I think it was okay. Let me check the AI. Okay, new branch. Just put it there. I didn't modify it. Oh, I didn't edit it. Much better. Suffers. There's mistakes, yes, for sure. Logical creative issues, timeless, you made it changes. This insanity, political question is useful. We are crying to your position. Ah, your position clear in the front. Introduce and repeat in the conclusion. Wow. Okay, a clear brand 7.5 star writing your ideas correctly. Let me check. I'm going to read aloud the prompter. My how will be if I if I'm well that is what it is. See, if I start in one position, need to be finished in that position. Let's see. In my view, technology has made life faster and more many people it has also increased stress. The main reason is that modern tools give us immediately access to information and constant communication which can be difficult to manage. To begin with, the status quo is at almost everyone carries a smartphone and another handle devices. Because of it, people can access news, messages, and social media at any time. Through this convert the information flow is often overwhelming. As a consequence, some individuals feel anxious, comparing themselves with others, and struggle to relax. This trend may grow as more daily activities, more online, and people feel pressure to respond instantly. Technology has affected stress levels in a workplace. In a current job market, especially in the tech industry, many companies operate in a fast-paced environment. Employees can feel pressure for time because they must learn new tools quickly and adapt the abrupt changes in the process. In some aspects, these create long working hours and constant deadlines, so time can see to pass in the blinking of an eye. In conclusion, I agree technology makes life faster and make it more stressful. However, if people set boundaries and use technology responsibly, they can reduce this negative effect while still benefiting from the disadvantage. We're aware you need to or use it correctly. Use this para, para pattern. in the next part. Status quo is that the current job market this trend is likely to continue. Abrupt changes, abrupt shifts. Preceding grateful comparison in preceding decades, bygone era, historic topical, in the bygone era, in retrospective, for conclusion, reflection, retrospect. For time, people feel present from the time. Wow. It is what it is. I didn't remember when I started, but I feel very exhausted. I don't know why. Maybe it, some, I'm feel fulfilled with, I don't know, but I feel like very, very, um, fast, not fast, but fulfilled. But in the bad way, I don't want to do anymore. I don't know if. Well, that's it. I'm gonna take a break, and then um, I'm gonna take a break because I didn't know when I start, but I think it's much ideally to take a break because I feel like very bad. Maybe I need to use the washroom. That's it. Um, eh, try it again, or change the topic because I don't. Uh, or even take out the not take out but review the vocabulary upgrades and try to implement it too as well. Yeah, so now I'm going to take my break. I know that I open it stream. Maybe I should need to close it much better. Yes, because I didn't prepare for that. So bye.